Hi there folks, this is Big Doug Outdoors. Today I'm going to take you guys out on a little venture of a video I did last night. I went out and done me some bullhead catfishing / channel cats. I did catch a few bullheads in the size that I like to keep for catfishing, but the rest of them were just too long, too big and everything for what I was looking for. But I did turn around and find out that Indiana does have a state record of 4 pounds and 9 ounce bullhead catfish. So South State Park is just plumb full of bullhead catfish. So I'm going to try to break that record this year or next year. One of the 2 years I'm going to try to break it. So if I do, I will put a video on it, and hopefully that it comes out really good. But anyways, I did catch a really nice channel cat last night. I actually kept it because we're going to try that as bait fish, cutting it up in small pieces. I did see some other YouTubers try that out and actually worked out pretty good, and I'm going to give it a try, you know. So you guys, hopefully this Saturday you'll get to see me doing that. So, and tomorrow I'm going to try my best to get out with my son-in-law if everything pans out okay with him, to go out and do some little bit of creek fishing, because I want to get me some creek chubs. Having multiple different species of bait fish in your arsenal, it really helps you out, whether it's cut bait or live bait. That is one thing I can recommend doing whenever you do go out trophy catfishing. That is targeting flatheads and blues, because that's what's here locally as a big fish, and that's one thing I can give you a tip on. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys over and let you watch the video of my little trip I did last night, and hopefully it comes out good, because I have not watched it myself, and right now I'm getting ready to edit the video, so stay tuned. Folks, we're back at it again over here at South State Park, doing some more bullhead catfishing. So you guys stay tuned. Today we're going to try out a different bait. That is something that I watched one of the other YouTubers make. Little channel cat. That's a bullhead. That's a big old bullhead now. That's folks. Oh. Got him. Let's get to another channel cat. If I can get this here. Yeah. I think this might be a turtle. No, it's a catfish. Another good sized bullhead. second real big bullhead that I caught. Size right here. I don't want these. These are too big. I've tried using these and had no luck. So we ain't gonna keep these. We're gonna keep the smaller one. It's a pure white great blue heron. I've never seen one pure white like that before. But what is that big bird? That big white bird flying? I got to looking and it landed in the water. Man, look at how beautiful that thing is. That's a great blue heron, I'm pretty sure. Got that one. That was close up to the shoreline. That bigger one. Might be a channel. No, it's a bullhead. And he swallowed my hook. Boy, a fat little rascal. Look at this one hooked. Hooked into a fat little booger. Channel cat. Man, that's a monster. That's a eater size there, folks. Look at this thing. Mouth it. Got a hook in the mouth. Change this one over. Check this. I think I got it. Yep, I did. I hope it's a smaller. Come in here. Yeah, this is what we're looking for, folks. Good. That's what we're looking for. These bullheads is that size there. hop off here.
Alright, honey, I love you.
I love you too.
I'll talk to you later.
Alright, I'll see you when I get home. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Folks, I called Channel Cat and I think I snagged him. So, oh man. This is a little bigger. Whatever it is. I think I made a good decision. A little fat yellow belly. He's not happy either. Swallowed my throat. Thanks for going. Got another one. This might be just a bit smaller. It is, and it's perfect. Oh, baby. Oh, and you swallowed my hook. Little rascal. Well. So there you go, folks. I hope this video helps you guys out. That new bait that I concocted up, I actually got the idea from Chris Flores. Look him up on YouTube. It's called Muddy Rivers. He does a really good job out there in New Mexico and stuff, catching these big flatties and channels and blues and stuff. So just wanted to share that with you guys to kind of test baits out, because what bait does work over here in this part of the United States may not work over here in this part of the United States, here locally in Indiana. So I mean, it did actually work really good. With bullheads, I was burning them up left and right, and then I also went and used night crawlers as well out there. I've always had good luck with night crawlers. I ended up catching about 30 bullheads, and that's not exaggerating. That's just a rounded number that I came up with because watching my footage on my video here, doing my editing, it was just holy cow. It was like, man, I didn't realize there were sometimes I had 3 on all 3 of my poles. I had 1 on each one. It was like bam, bam, bam. And then I'm going to show you the last video that I showed you of myself out there. I actually was on the phone with my wife, and I couldn't believe it. She always gives me really good luck. I don't know. Every time I'm on the phone, it's like boom, 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 boom. I'm catching bites left and right, catching fish. So that's one reason why sometimes I like to call my wife. Just don't let her know. But anyways, again, I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos. Again, I hope this helps you out. And I also want to thank you for the ones that have subscribed and the ones that haven't. Please do so. This helps me grow my YouTube channel. And please tell a friend, family, or a neighbor out there about this YouTube channel that I've got to help me grow this YouTube channel. I surely would appreciate it. And again, I just want to thank you guys and say good luck and God bless in the upcoming hunting, fishing, camping here in 2020. We'll catch you till next time.